Dear student, in this video we will discuss about area. In previous video we have discussed about perimeter. So in this video we will discuss about area. So now what is area? Suppose we have this whiteboard and we are going to find the area of this board. So how we can find? So now what is the area? First of all, what is the perimeter? The sum of the boundaries of a closed figure, that is called perimeter. Now area, the measure of the surface enclosed by a closed figure. The measure of the surface enclosed by a closed figure, that is called area. So suppose it is the shape of a rectangle. The length of this board is 15 centimeter and breadth of this board is 10 centimeter. So now what is the area? How much the surface enclosed by this board? So to find this area, we will use the length multiply breadth. So length multiply breadth, because board is in the shape of a rectangle. So length multiply breadth. So length is 15 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. So 15 multiply 10. So it is 150. And how many times? Centimeter multiplies centimeter. So it is centimeter square or square centimeter. So we can use the word square centimeter or centimeter square. So what is square is the standard unit of area. If it is given in meter, we will write square meter. If the length of breadth given in centimeter, so we will use square centimeter. So similarly, if the square is given, suppose the side of this square is 3 centimeter. So if this side is 3 centimeter, this side is again 3 centimeter and this one is 3 centimeter. So now area. So area, to find the area of a square, we will use the formula side multiply side. There is no difference between, here we use word length multiply breadth. Here again we are using length multiply breadth, but both length and breadth are equal. So therefore we are using word side multiply side. So it is 3 centimeter multiply 3 centimeter. So it is 3 3 the 9 and centimeter multiply centimeter. So it is square centimeter. So it is 9 square centimeter. So the area depends upon the shape of the figure. Larger figure has larger area and smaller figure has smaller. Suppose we have find the area of this board. So this board is bigger than the shape. So area of this board is this and the area of this figure, that is 9 square centimeter. So if we find the area of a book and a wall, so which has more area? Naturally it is wall, because the area depends upon the size of the figure. So here we have some questions. Which of the following has larger area? A stamp or a envelope? So a stamp or a envelope. So first of all, see, compare which one has greater size. So envelope has greater size. So area of envelope is greater than area of stamp. Next, a blackboard or an art sheet. So the size of blackboard is bigger than art sheet. So area of blackboard is more than the area of sheet. Next, 500 rupee note or 5 rupee note. So the shape of 500 rupee note is bigger than the shape of 5 rupee note. So 500 rupee note has bigger area or larger area than 5 rupee note. Next, school ground or school stage. So we know that the size of ground is bigger than the stage. So therefore the area of school ground is more than the area of school stage. So here we have some questions about the area. So let us see them. So find the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are. So length, that is given 45 centimeter and breadth is equal to 32 centimeter. So now area of this figure, that is length multiply breadth. So it is 45 centimeter multiply 32 centimeters. So by multiplying 45 and 32 we can get the area of this figure. So unit we will use here square centimeter square or square centimeter. So 45 multiply 32. So 2 5 are 10, 2 4 the 8 and 1 9. Next 3 5 the 15, 3 4 the 12 and 1 13. So it is 0, 9 plus 5 14, 4 and then. So it is 1440 square centimeters. So if the units are not same, so we will convert. So here we have question, length is equal to 3 meter and breadth is equal to 75 centimeter. So now see what is the difference here. The length is given in meter and the breadth is given in centimeter. So we will convert the length into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 3 multiply 100 centimeter. So which is equal to 300 centimeter. So length is equal to 300 centimeter and breadth is equal to 75 centimeter. So area is equal to length multiply breadth. So that is 300 multiply 75. 300 centimeter multiply 75. So we use the unit square centimeter. So it is 300 multiply 75. So 75 multiply 3. 3 5 the 15, 3 7 the 21 and 122. So it is 225 and we place 20 behind it. Square centimeter. So it is the area of this these dimensions. So next, find the area of a square whose side is. So side of a square, that is given 18 centimeter. So what is area? So area is equal to formula side multiply side. So that is 18 centimeter multiply 18 centimeter. So when we multiply 18 with 18, we get 324. And standard unit of area, that is square, and centimeter is given. So it is 324 square centimeter. So in this way we can find the area of a square. So next we have question, one side of a square tile is given 15.6 centimeter. So find the area of tile. So length of tile is given. So length of tile, that is 15.6 centimeter. So area of tile is equal to side multiply side. So it is 15.6 centimeter multiply 15.6 centimeter. So we can find the area by multiplying this. So it is 243.36 square centimeter. So in this way we can find the area of any square. So the here point in area, so area of rectangle is equal to which formula we will use here, that is length multiply breadth, and area of square we use the formula that is side multiply side. Length multiply breadth we use in case of rectangle, and side multiply side for a square.